Hi, I finally got my Sally Face figure. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. I ordered this for my birthday. Okay, let's unbox it because I know that's why you came here, probably. I don't know, maybe to watch my new video, whatever. That's very cute, but I noticed, okay, there's a box inside a box. So let's take the box out of the box. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I was wondering where this was because I saw it on the listing. So this is the Addison Apartments where Sally Face lives. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that'll be perfect for photographs. And on the top it says, I had no choice. Because that's a line that he says in the game. Oh my gosh, I mean, he's been in there for like 4 months, so he's like, get me out of here! Anyway, on further inspection, there's a line on the face, as you can see right there. It goes across. Must be something from the factory. I'm gonna zoom up so you guys can see it better, but yeah, there are 2 smudges. Maybe I can get that off with some rubbing alcohol or like an eraser. Overall, the doll's really cute. I love it. The guitar has very many details. I love that. He has U2s on the bottom of his foot, and the overall pose is just so cute. I also love like so many of the accurate details, like it has the earrings, like the straps, the guitar. Oh my gosh. Now as you can see, this doll does not pose, it cannot move. So it doesn't have any articulation, but that's okay since it's like a Funko Pop. So I think I spent around $40 on this, but I do love the doll's design. It's so cute. Look at that face, look at the hair. It's so accurate. Oh my gosh. And the doll seems like really good quality except that scratch, so I'm gonna eventually have to take that off somehow. Okay, let's take it off now. Okay, I hope this works. I'm gonna use 2 different methods. The eraser's my backup if the alcohol does not work. So I'm gonna take this little paper towel and put the rubbing alcohol on it. I never know how to pronounce this. Isopropyl? Isopropyl? I don't know. I'm not going to be very aggressive with the rubbing alcohol because I don't want to destroy the paint on the doll. Hey, that actually works so well. Okay, I'm very surprised. The little indent still there on the eye, so I'm just going to try the eraser, but the other line, that's completely gone. You can still see the smudge very faintly, but I think it's okay. It's so cute. That's not the only thing I'm going to unbox today. I also have an Evelina doll. Look at the box design, it's so pretty. I love that art style. It's almost as beautiful as the Sugary Girls. Okay, it's very beautiful, but Sugary Girls, I'm waiting for them. And look at that! Oh my gosh, I love it. I really want that doll. So these are the dolls you can get. They're all very cute. Again, I love their art style. So these are the mystery ones. You can get these. I'm not sure what their names are. Someone please help. You can get Hide and Seek and Spirit. You can get Crush Seraph and Treatment. And Tied in Reverse. Okay, I really want Crush Seraph. Let's see who we get. I want those 3, but I'd be okay with all of them. And OMG, we got Tied! She looks so pretty. Okay, let me show you guys. So let me open this box so I can show you the actual doll because she's gorgeous. And I know I always talk about these dolls, but it's the same brand as the Little Nightmare Twins dolls, which I love those so much. I unboxed them in a previous video. Tied is wrapped in a plastic bag, which I'm going to take her out of right now. Oh, this is a big plastic bag. Oh, she just fell out. And she has a plastic covering her face, similar to how Nendoroids cover the face. Oh gosh, I haven't had a Nendoroid so long. She is so gorgeous. Look how small she is. She's a perfect size. Exactly what I wanted. Look at that face up. She's gorgeous. She has nice rotating arms, really like those. And her shoes are so cute. They're different than normal dolls. Like, they're very detailed. I like them. And yeah, her hair is really cute too. It reminds me of like Sailor Mercury style. Her face up is so pretty. I love those pink eyes. I just love that face. She has really nice articulation and it doesn't feel flimsy. I think she might be a MJD. I'm not sure, but she was pretty cheap. She was only $28. She has pretty nice joints. Okay, let's look at what she came with. She has an assortment of mini cute themes in an aquatic style palette. She comes with clothes, which are super cute and they look very high quality. She also has a little pet shark, which is so cute. It has a bow tie. Everything is colored so nicely, it's very high quality. She also comes with a jellyfish hat, which is super cute and translucent. She also comes with extra hands and extra feet, which have an articulation in the toes, which I really like. She also comes with extra neck pegs and a screw for the eyes. And she comes with a card, which is really pretty. Something I've never seen in a BJD is she blinks when you move it. I forgot what these are called, but they're so cool. I love that. Now she needs some clothes, so let's get her clothes on. She comes with these like shorts that have stockings attached to them, which I'm gonna have to take her for feet. Oh my gosh, these won't. Oh. It took me 570 years to get her shoes off. Now I gotta take off her head to put this on. Hopefully it's not as bad as the feet. And it wasn't, it just popped right off, so what happened with the feet there? Alright, let me just get that on. I might have to pop off the arms. I can't say with certainty that all these clothing items are really high quality. She has arm warmers, let's see. Oh my gosh, these hands won't come off. We gotta swap out those peace sign hands with these normal hands. And this was a nightmare to get on, but eventually I got it on. And meet Noelle. Actually, her name wasn't that to begin with, but I just named her that. I think it would be fitting. She's really pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!